Alright, this is the end of day one of Project 7.3 rust repair. As you can see, we've got the cab corner completely cut out, the inner cab corner cut out. This is actually our inner rocker panel that's test fitted, almost perfect. That looks a lot better than it used to. Let's see where it kind of goes here, and where that ends. Got these were the old pieces of the rockers. So yeah, that was actually a piece of the inner rocker, as you can see there. This is the new one. So yeah, if you look at the other side here, it's almost to the point that the other one was at before we put that new inner rocker piece on. Taking some of the spot welds out, so a lot of drilling. This is the piece. This is the actual outer rocker, but it folds down with it, kind of. So yeah, still need to take out some spot welds, the cab corner, but it's getting a lot closer than it used to be. Just taking the spot welds out, because that was a lot to do. So yeah, it's the end of day one. On to day two of Project 7.3 rust repair. Well, since last time we recorded, this might look a little bit different. I'm not even sure if we got any video of the teardown, which is fine because I'm just about to show you the other side, which is the same process as what we did with this side. But looks pretty nice. As you can see, this is the new cab corner, completely rust free. Can't really see, so I'll open up these doors here. And it actually came out pretty good. I mean, you can't, it would be pretty hard to tell right off the bat that these were redone. You see these are rockers here. This little inner jam. We reused this piece that we got off the other rocker. So that's all there. We're getting new inner door panels. Those actually came today. So you can see here, it's a whole new inner rocker piece. That goes to there. So that's all in, and this includes the inner cab corner too. That obviously you can't see because the regular cab corner is covering it, but we've got the door somewhat lined up. It closes. So does that one. We've got a little bit of a base coat just to give an idea of what we're gonna be doing. See, that's not the paint, it's just how much dust is on it. But the whole truck's gonna be black at the end of it. I'm getting paint to match spray paint. That should look close enough. For the bottom, I think we're just gonna get a regular type of black, or else that would add up to be a stupid price. But yeah, that looks real good. Let's get a shot of it from over here. The truck looks good. I mean, it looks completely different. So we'll go to the other side now. The other side is what this side used to look like. Oh.
Hey Ryan, make sure you show them the typical.
Oh yeah, I will. So that's what it looks like right now. Cab corner cut off. All the rockers are off, inner and outer. There's the new inner rocker. Our welder here is going to put up some pieces so you can see what it'll look like at the end.
Inner rocker gets trimmed, or it'll come up. You get the picture.
Yeah, you can see it from the other side too of how it lined up.
The spot holes we'll use to drill or the weld back on the back side.
Yep. All these spot welds were drilled out to get those out.
Right about here.
Yep. And this isn't, it doesn't just pop on the way it is. It all takes a little bit of trimming of the pieces they give you also. So we did.
Inner rocker first. This is the inner cab corner, they call it. And this will get trimmed so it falls flush once we found some good metal.
Yep.
So we'll notch it, tap it up, get it all to line up. And then you'll actually have some structure on the inside again as well. Number 3 will be tacking up and test fitting the corner. This is all rough cut, it's not right on. That gives you a pretty good.
Yep, and you see how this kind of lines up here.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's just a rough cut right now, but
The radiuses are line up pretty nicely when you have it all good.
yep.
And of course, the whole deal, you're trying to set up so that the hinge pin, the striker for the door, is in the correct location.
Yep, just like what we did on the other side. If I somehow get over here, this is the inside of the door right now. The other side I think was worse.
Typical.
I think it was worse the other side, but yeah, pretty bad. We got those new pieces. Those came in the mail, I think, today. So, yeah. And if you're wondering why these door panels are off, you'll see in a future video. I'm sure you could guess. But yeah, so far coming out pretty good. We've got that leveling kit in. Did they see anything on the leveling kit?
I don't remember.
Well, we'll have to skip to a different clip for that. So here's the inner part of the cab corner here that we have cut out. This is the driver's side. I just want to point this out here. This is like a piece of like fabric or something that Ford puts here. It's real fluffy, flammable. And as you can see, below it is all rotten, and right up top there's no rot at all. So I mean, even with this part too, you can kind of see, but it shows that we're not sure if this helps the rust down here. It definitely helps the no rust here, but if this may have helped it trap the water and moisture down here, which caused it to rot more, which is something to take note of. On the other side, when we took one of these pieces off, it was dripping water, and it had already been here for like a month. So if we catch that on this side, I'll definitely start recording, but it's a good Ford flaw to write down. There's lots of flaws here with the rust, but yep, we'll keep you guys updated.
And then boom,
Yeah, what do you know? It's
got 'em.
rust-free cab corner.
rust free.
Ever seen rust? Texas truck.
Texas truck.